Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant S5 sweeper. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we have a damaged circuit breaker and we got to replace it. First, unhook it. Take a pair of pliers and loosen up this nut. Then you should just be able to spin it off with your fingers. Just like that. Now, replacing it, reverse the steps, get your new circuit breaker. Okay, take the new nut and tighten it back down to the bracket. Take your pliers and just make sure that that nut is nice and snug. Now we just got to reattach the wires. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.